Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you no longer want to pay for an extra channel, you can cancel your Prime Video channel subscription anytime directly from your account settings. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to cancel a channel subscription on Prime Video in 2026 quickly and safely. So you have to know that cancellation is instant, but access continues until billing ends, and it works on web and most devices, and no cancellation fees. Okay, so first thing, open your account, like open Prime Video app or website, go to your profile icon, okay, or account. You are now in your account settings, so you have to go to your account settings, okay, from here, the top corner. Go to subscriptions, so select settings and tap channels and subscriptions. So you have here many options, okay, registered devices, hidden videos, okay, language, accounts, okay, so you have many options here. You have to find subscriptions, something to have to do with subscriptions, okay. So you will see all active channel subscriptions, so choose the channel, find the channel you want to cancel, click or tap on it. Cancel subscription, like tap cancel channel or cancel subscription. You will be asked to confirm cancellation, like confirm your choice, and subscription is now canceled. Okay, so check status, like you will see an end date. Access continues until that date. After that, you won't be able, or you won't be charged again. Okay, so you can also turn off auto renew, like this is optional. So some channels allow turning off auto renew instead of full cancel. Okay, so it is useful if you might return later. Okay, so this is it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.